Hello, my name is Lee Gaus, and I'm asking you for 4 minutes of your time. And if you're interested in trading commodities, it may be the best 4-minute investment you've ever made. I want to tell you about my math-based proprietary trading model. It all started in 1981 when I was a broker in Central Illinois attempting to build a customer following. One day the office manager said, "Here, you can have this guy, he likes to trade." I was thrilled. Little did I know that this client was so abusive, nobody else in the firm wanted to deal with him. After being verbally abused for several months, he felt compelled to say, "Kid, you stink. Be in my office at 2 o'clock. I went to his office expecting to be verbally abused again, but instead he said, "Sit down. Let me show you something." I agreed, and school was in. He began by emphasizing the importance of using a methodology different from the crowd. After all, he rationalized, if the methods used by the many were any good, they'd be making all the money. He showed me how he had taken a widely used concept in commodity trading, altered the formula, and manipulated the data. Being math inclined, I was immediately captivated by his work. His method provided a better sense of the underlying trend and the strength of that trend. By using an algebraic formula, he then could determine what weekly close was needed to reverse the trend. Not only could he determine the trend turning values for the immediate, but at times 4 and 5 weeks in advance. He showed me how, using this information, he could determine if the odds suggested a trend that was going to get stronger or weaker over time. Is it perfect? Nope, it's not perfect. No model is. But in my view, it is close enough that I have used it as the backbone of my analysis for the last 30 years. Today I make this information available to our clients in my week-ending letter, Trends and Reversals. In a concise manner, Trends and Reversals identifies the trend, makes mention as to the weekly relative strength index, and alerts as to the prices needed to reverse the trends. It also makes mention as to those commodities that are in red alert status. Red alert status is a signal created by an additional equation that I developed. I believe what my mentor taught me is the best trend following, trend strength indicator that I've ever found, but I wanted more. To that end, I developed an additional formula designed to work in conjunction with what he taught me. It is my opinion that this formula helps me identify those commodities that have the highest probability of making a near-term dynamic move. When I've concluded with the analysis, I send our clients the daily letter, Trades I Like. It provides entry points, stop-loss points, and various potential profit levels. It is my opinion that the overall performance is such that I am confident enough to attach Lee Gaus, my name, to it. Does this pique your interest, as it did mine? If so, give me a call, drop me an email. It would be my pleasure to talk with you further.